I'm down on the Port Townsend Beach with nature's symbol of abundance, and they are everywhere. Nature is reminding us that we get to be abundant for the gifts that we give. And anywhere that you might be blocked from feeling your true abundance, I want to invite you to remember that so often we end up blocked from our own prosperity because we think we're responsible for our clients' results. We think we have to somehow guarantee that we can get someone that transformation or that change in order to justify charging money. But what if that codependency that so many of us still have in our psyche is actually a disservice to our clients?